Hey G-Fans, it's Mechagodzilla 24D here, and today, I just got a box day. So here I am guys, my face has finally revealed, so here it is. I'm sorry guys, it hasn't been a long day since I haven't do any box days, so there it is. Finally got something at Walmart, so you know what it is, let's open up. That's like a giant box. I mean, wow. Ooh, wow. Finally got it. The giant Mechagodzilla from Godzilla vs. Kong. So you may know this is, you may know it's no longer to be spoiled a lot, but this time it's not gonna be spoiled at all. I mean, look at this guy. It looks freaking cool. But you can tell that his hands, you can tell the hand looks more like the claws. But I show you guys what the guy named Nat Shane on the Twitter posted a video about it reviewing the Mechagodzilla. So it looks pretty cool. Look at this guy. It looks pretty amazing. Yeah, so guys, that's pretty much it. The unboxing this giant Mechagodzilla and Godzilla vs. Kong. Well, I'm sorry to have to do any unboxing video, but now there it is. Hope you guys like enjoying this video. Remember, stay big G fans. This is Mechagodzilla 2014 signing out.